मतदारसंघ म्हणटा तेन्ना खूब मतदारसंघाची चर्चा आसता असेंब्ली इलेक्शन्स आसा हितून म्हणून आनी जेन्ना एक पावर मिनिस्टर आसा जो 2 टायम MLA आसा तितून अमित पाटकराचें नांव येता. हें कशें कितलें सत्य आसा जेन्ना अमित फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक बसतलो म्हणून आवाज येता पळय.
नमस्कार. फर्स्टली म्हजी एक मातशी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दिता. आय वॉज बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन कुडचडे. जल्म म्हजो कुडचड्यार जालो, शिक्षण कुडचड्यार जालें, सेकंड्री, हाय सेकंड्री, एंड आय एम अ BE ग्रॅज्युएट मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर. म्हणजे इंजिनियरींग हांवें बेळगांव केलें फॉर 4 years. एंड आमची फॅमिली, म्हजो बापूय, म्हजो आजो, फॉर जनरेशन्स वी आर हियर इन कुडचडे. In fact, the first hospital of Kurcharem is our house. Way back in 1955, before liberation, Kurchadyar hospital facility नाशिल्ली. So that time, म्हज्या आज्यान hospital first कुडचडेचे तेन्ना was in our house. When then late after liberation, health center जालें and it was shifted. My father also is involved in lot of, basically my grandfather was a mine owner. He had about 5-6 concessions. So मायनिंगान आशिल्ल्या कारणान बिजनसूय आशिल्ली आनी डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो एक चालूच आशिल्लो. आतां जालां कितें, सी आय एम ऑल्सो इनवॉल्ड इन लॉट ऑफ सोशल एक्टिविटीज. सो म्हजे जे फ्रेंड्स आसात, वांगडी आसात, ते बोलाले की यू शूड टेक दीस सोशल सर्वीस ऑन अ लार्जर प्लॅटफॉर्म. सो हे लार्जर प्लॅटफॉर्मार व्हरतलो जाल्यार आय थिंक पॉलिटिक्स इज द साधन to serve the community and to help the people. So that was the reason लोक मुझे फाटल्यान लागला म्हणून I thought that I should enter politics so that I can serve the community.
Enter politics means to contest.
Yeah, I mean to contest.
Okay.
Now तुझो जो question आसा about, you asked about Nilesh Kabra. See, this fight is not between Amit Patkar versus Nilesh Kabra. See, first we have to admit that Nilesh Kabral is a smart politician. He has worked for Kurcharem. He's a smart politician. Ata his fight is not between Amit Patkar or Nilesh Kabra. This fight is between Congress versus BJP. The ideology. जे हुकुमशाही चल्ल्या, the economy is in dire straits. I mean, there are a lot of issues. हांगा पर्सनल अजेंडा काय ना.
No, but why Amit thought, okay, you have a good business, your family is well settled, social service करपाक जाय, but why politics?
न्ही, हांवें कसं सांगलें की लोक आनी म्हजे फ्रेंड्स लागले दॅट यू शूड कम इन पॉलिटिक्स सो दॅट वॉट एवर सोशल कॉज तूं करता, तुजे आयडियाज आसा, अल्टिमेटली इट इज अप टू द पीपल. I will leave it to the people of Kurcharem and the Congress party. They have to decide की बाबा तांचो candidate कोण आसतलो, and the people of Kurcharem has to decide that whom they want as the legislator. It is ultimately people who have to take a call. म्हजे फ्रेंड्स, म्हजे वांगडी लागल्यात की तुवें मुखार येवचें आनी you should enter. Ultimately it is up to the people to decide.
Not asking for you which party it would be. First preference दिसता तुका तुमचे काँग्रेस पार्टी. तू म्हणटा पळय त्या प्रमाणे.
See, because I am a Congress worker, I am a congressman, so obviously I am with the party, so there is no hidden truth in that.
No, but जेन्ना काँग्रेस पार्टी म्हणटा फुडारकारान तर आपणाचे ऑफिसूच ओपन केलेले आसा, तुमी खंय उरता?
ना, सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल Balakrishna Bab Pinti Hudarkar is a congressman. Okay, he has joined the party to strengthen the Congress.
Ticket दिता म्हणून सांगना.
I don't think so. See, he has joined us, he is working with us collectively. See, our main focus idea is to grassroots level party block build करपाचो. That is the whole idea.
Okay.
I think ticket and all, as the High Command has told, see, they will ultimately assess the situation. They will take the survey report, and then it is up to the block and people and party. Then party will take a call.
कुर्चोरी मतदारसंघान you think Congress has a bastion?
Yes, 2000 BJP came to power in Kurcharem in 2012. Before that, 3 term हे काँग्रेसीचे आशिल्ले. सो काँग्रेसीक हांगा मातशें पीपल हॅव द पयलींच्यान काँग्रेसीचो हांगा थोडो होल्ड आसा बिकॉज आय थिंक मेनली बिकॉज सेक्युलर पार्टी आयडियोलॉजीज आर good. They want everybody to prosper. They take everybody along. So I think like-minded people from Kurcharem have realized and suffered for last 9.5 years, and this time definitely I think they will get a change.
What is the biggest advantage for Amit being a youth over it?
Yeah. Now roughly I'll tell you. Don't quote these numbers. Roughly I'll give you an estimate. About 28,000 is the voter strength of Kurcharem, out of which about 14 to 14,500 is youth. So that means roughly about 45 to 50% is youth who's going to vote for the election. And I think the kind of response what I'm getting, the youth are going to come forward this time. And I think they want young faces to be there as a legislator who can take up issues like employment. See, there are various issues in Goa which are there. Employment is one of the issue. Healthcare is one of the issue. Infrastructure is one of the issue. So all these issues. If you have to take, I'm not saying that the people who are there in the assembly are not taking up these issues. But I think if there is a mixture of youth and senior people in the assembly, I think Goa has a better future and better prospects.
इलेक्शन हांगा टायमाचो वारें येयलेल्याक आमी कितलेच आयकता खंयच्याय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींत 1 to 1 म्हणून दिसत ना, 4-5 असो येतात. द मोर द मेरियर तुका चड बरें दिसता.
See, I am an aspirant. Okay, there are many more people also who are aspirant.
हय.
Everybody is working.
एडवांटेज आसता तितून.
Definitely, no. See, what happens is when there are more aspirants, when they come to one party, obviously the party is getting strengthened, and ultimately it is to the higher command to decide, who will be the candidate. So at the time of election, it will help because everybody collectively will work for that, party.
Congress has a good chance, you feel?
Definitely, I think Congress has a good chance because last 4 months, if you go to see, in Kurcharem it was BJP, but last 4 months there's a drastic change. If you see, there are more. People like Pinti Bab Rodkar. You have to remember that he has left the ruling party BJP and he's joined Congress. That means definitely he must have seen something and
Anti-wave.
Anti-wave is there. That's the reason he has joined. Now the good ruling atlan sodun ka opposition nena. So I think Congress has got good chance.
What would be your dreams if that elected that you would like to do for Kurcharem?
See, I have got a lot of ideas, agendas which are there in my mind. Tomorrow, if given a chance, if people of Kurcharem think that he can be our legislator as a candidate, if party decides that okay, I am fit to be as a candidate, and once we win the election, I have a lot of agenda in mind. Anyways, I'm going to come up with my agenda. See, what has happened is Kurcharem is a transit hub, you can say, because it is surrounded by 3-4 constituencies, and it has been like a small medium enterprise, hub where किती जाता तुझे surrounding area market म्हणतो, mining also plays a major role. So Kurcharem can be developed as a epicenter of all these constituencies, as a medium and micro center. Also, we have to work on creating incubation centers for ITs and other professionals. Magir tuje agriculture also we have to boost agriculture. There is a lot of potential in terms of Kurcharem. If you see, a lot of khazan land pading asa. So community farming has to be taken up seriously. Young youth have to be diverted to farming in terms of community, to mechanized farming, vegetable growing. So all these issues are there. Okay. See, these are views which are there in my mind. Obviously, I'm going to go to people. लोकांचे बाबा किती विचार, लोकांक किती ते घेऊन.
What do you say about the present performance of this MLA, who is in the last 9.5 years MLA असा, फाटली 2-3 वर्सां म्हटल्यार power minister असा, environment minister असा.
See, as I have told
चोडो
you.
लवंक दिना
No. And as I've told you, he's a smart politician and he's worked for Kurcharan.
So he has
Fight
worked-
is not between. This is not a personal fight.
No.
Fight is between Congress and BJP because of what they have done. I mean, today if you see the economy of Goa is in dire straits. Okay, employment is the major issue. Then there are projects which are coming which are not required. I mean, these issues are there.
खुर्च्यारी खातीर कशें जालेलें आसा
Now, Kurchare, there is lot of scope. I mean, I have a vision in mind that I will make Kurchare as a model town, which will be like an inspiration to whole of Goa.
वो 10 वर्सां आसोसर आजुनूय लेफ्ट बिहायंड फाटीं उरला खुर्च्यारी
I mean, there is lot of scope which has to be done.
पण
And
हेणे
if you
कितें
ask me honestly, आता जसे तुका issues सांगले, ते issuesaचेर आज मेरेन काम जावना. Employmenटाचेर काम जावना. तुझे आज mining was a major, I mean, being a transit hub, mining was a major industry here. ताका replacement दुसरी industry येवना. We have an industrial estate where 80% of the units are sick unit. So probably ताजेर कितें तरी विचार करून those get some incentives, get green industry, try to promote them. You could have generated more employment in those terms. But ते जाल्लें ना न्ही. All these issues are there.
So is Amit Kabral's friend or Kabral is Amit's friend?
No,
Because
I am
Amit-
nobody's.
We don't have any issues
See,
with
I
that.
am nobody's man. I am nobody's man.
Friend,
I am a
friend.
Kurchadkar. I want to make Kurchade a vibrant Kurchade. I have got vision in mind, and my focus is to win the elections and to, as I told you, make a model town. Kurchade, I want to make a model town and an inspiration to whole of Goa. That's the whole idea.
अभी बाप कितला टाइम लागलो तूं रावतलो जे टाइम तुमची पार्टी डिसायड करसो बिकॉज काँग्रेस एट द मोमेंट वेर इट इज हिटिंग नोबडी सो हाउ लॉंग यू कैन वेट बिकॉज फायनली यू हैव टू टेल योर पीपल ऑल्सो बाबा आपण हिंगा आहो थिंगा
See, collect, I have told you that our prime motto is we are building the party. We are building an organization. Okay, no doubt I am an aspirant. My thing is clear that I am not going to quit politics.
Okay.
And neither I am backing out. I think this election, what will matter is your reliability, honesty, loyalty, and winnability. These are the major factors which anybody is going to assess. So we collectively are working on it, and I'm sure the party will take the right decision on this.
When you talk about Kurchori, you try to start lot of activities, social activities in Kurchori. थोडे तुज्यो अडकळ्यो हाडल्यो हेजेर कितें म्हणणें आहा तुमचें?
See, कितें जाता when somebody is aspirant and somebody is trying to do good for the society,
दुसऱ्यांक दुखता
obviously दुखता म्हणून जर आज 7 जुलयाक we launched an ambulance. We have launched an advanced life support ambulance. It's a cardiovascular ambulance having ventilator, suction pump, defibrillator, everything. It is like an you can shift in cardiac patient in that. ही सर्विस जी आसा ती हांवें फ्री आय हॅव लॉन्च फॉर द पीपल ऑफ कुर्चरेम. आय मीन दीस एम्बुलन्स इज नॉट मायन. This ambulance is of all the 28,000 people of Kurchare and the people surrounding area, whoever can make use of it. So त्या एम्बुलन्सीक जर तर आज परमिशन मेळपाक म्हणजे स्टार्ट करपाक जर तर परमिशन न्ही, इट्स जस्ट एन ट्रान्झीट परमीट वीच गव्हर्मेंट इज इट्स लायक अ परमीट फक्त चलोवपाक. तें मेळपाक जर आज आमकां 25 दीस लागता, दॅट मिन्स समबडी खंय नाल्यार खंय तरी दुखला नाल्यार कोणाक खंय तरी हर्ट जाला. दॅट इज द रिजन आज आमकां परमिशन मेळना.
Okay. You are into the mining business. Your family has been in mining business, and Kurchori is not far away from the mining business issues. How it has been in the last so many years since mining has stopped?
See, mining was stopped. I will not like to talk in detail on this because no, I'll speak. Probably after some time I'll like to speak on this because that is my favorite subject, and I know a lot of. I mean, that's my favorite and that's my passion. I mean, to talk on that because mining is being portrayed wrongly in Goa. I always argue with people who are not from mining field, who are anti-mining, because mining. I like to give a small brief that mining was not started recently. Mining industry in Goa was started late back in 1950s during Portuguese regime. They wanted Goa to some industry to prosper, so that's the reason Portuguese has started this concession. This industry is not started last 10 or 15 years old, and it's a natural resource. I mean, every natural resource has to be exploited in a proper way. See, today there are NGOs who are speaking about mining, but I want to ask them that the house where they are living, steel which is used is made out of all the raw material is a natural resource, right? So if that natural resource जर तर ते आज आम्ही नाशिल्ल्यान ते कशे घरानच कशे रावता आशिल्ले. See, today civilized society natural resource plays a major factor, major role. But okay, I agree, we have to take care of the environment, environment norms, कितें आहा तें govern करून it has to be done. Now coming back to your question is what happened is late 2005 when iron ore industry, China started importing a lot of low grade from Goa, and they rampant their steel production. Then Goyank एक demand आयलो, and that demand basically I will say not rampant mining, but there was an opportunity, so everybody was there, tried to make use of that opportunity. But then slowly governance आयले, but then mining जेन्ना 2012 बंद जालें, and from that time till date, the shape and the track what it has taken, I think it's unfair to the industry.
It has affected.
It is unfair, and it is affected. 3 lakh लोग directly indirectly are dependent on mining. Today miningaच्या जाग्यार दुसरी इंडस्ट्री ना गोंयांत. आणि I will say government has failed on various factors. It's judiciary who got involved, and I'll not talk much on judiciary. But then they also have followed their own procedures. But it's a sad state of affair गोंयांत आज जाला.
कुडचडेको effects are
खूप
भरपूर
जाला,
जाला.
because see what happens is कुडचडे तुका सांगलें, it's a transit hub of mining. सगळ्या वाठारांत मायनी ज्यो आसा त्यो सराउंडिंग आसा, and गोवन ओर मेजॉरिटी इज एक्सपोर्टेड. सो जाता कितें, सगळ्यो जेटीज जे बार्जींतल्यान जो ओर वता पळय, दे आर इन कुडचडे आनी सराउंडिंग. सो मोस्टली जे मायनींग एक्टिविटीज ज्यो जाता पळय, इट इज फायनल जे लोड जाता बार्जीन, इट हॅपन्स इन कुडचडे. सो कुडचडे दॅट्स वाय इज द मेजर अफेक्टेड एरिया. बट दुसरे गव्हर्मेंटान शूड हॅव थॉट, सी टुडे द कनेक्टिविटी फ्रॉम कुडचडे टू पोर्ट is very good, because as iron ore जर तर लोड जाऊन जर पोर्टार वता, that means your connectivity is good. So government should have developed Kuchare like a small port. As NPT जर तुका damages are so high, this could have been developed in a small port sort of thing. Not only iron ore, तुका food grains हाडपा जाताले, तुका बाकीचे कितें हाडपा जाताले, not coal. Again, please don't, not coal. Industry which is green, which will not affect the nature.
Okay, one more thing is that transportation hub also. How is as far as the conditions of roads, everything is here? Government has maintained it very well. What it is?
See, these roads are pretty old roads, and apart from few places, I don't see any major road winding and all. But it being such a long industry, I think government should have focused on having a dedicated corridor for mining, which actually should not affect the common public. कि 2010 agenda, that's the need of the hour. That's there in my agenda. All these things are.
So mining corridor will be one of your agenda.
Obviously, and I'll make sure that the common public should not suffer because of those trucks which are plying on the road. Because fatal accidents खूप जाता, and खूप जाल्ले आसा. I think that is there.
What is to say about these recent issues like railway ट्रॅकाचो इशू जालो, मागीर न्यू गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट आहे, कुर्चोरी घालता म्हणून तो ते आले. So these local issues, how much it has it affected the Kuchari constituency? Oh, one way, these are plus points.
मी कुडचडेचे बेसिकली आय थिंक रेल्वे इशू कितलो इफेक्ट जायना म्हणल्यार सी बेसिकली इट इज अ स्टेट इशू. ओके,
State issue, but long effect,
स्टेट इशू.
constituency-wise.
कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वायज रेल्वेन जागो एक्वायर केल्लोच आसा. नाव द पीपल हू आर रिजायडिंग ऑन दोज लायन्स, वी हॅव टू सी द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ट्रेन्स. जस्ट तुवें आज एक रस्त्यार समजा जर तुज्यो दिसाक जर 10 गाडयो वता आनी सिंगल लेन इज इनफ, आनी तूं जर तर तो 4 लेन करता आनी गाडयो 10 चल्ल्यो, सो यू हॅव टू बोथ सी. Ultimately making double lane, what is the purpose? Whether they are going to increase the number of trains, whether coal movement is going to go high, all these factors will count. So government should come clear on white paper that why the double tracking if we are doing, what's the main reason, I mean idea behind it. जशें हांवें तुका सांगलें रोडाचें एक्झाम्पल, समज लायन वाडयली जाल्यार ऑब्वियसली देन द फ्लो हॅज टू बी मोर, सो ऑल दोज फॅक्टर्स हॅव टू बी स्टडीड.
One side, Cabral says, I'm confident that I would get re-elected again because of my performance. I mean, je kaam kela, sagle kela. On the other side, you have that youth capabilities and all. So, how do you judge this now?
As I have told you earlier also, our main motto is to strengthen the party. Okay, grassroots level we are strengthening Congress, and I am sure and I am confident that this time Congress is going to win Kurcharam. And trust me, काँग्रेसीचो वारो जो कुडचड्यार तयार जाता पयलीं तो भोंवतणी सरावंडींग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीकूय वतलो.
काँग्रेसीचो जेन्ना वारो म्हणटा पळय तेन्ना मनशाकूय पळयता आनी मनीस म्हणल्यार अमीत. सो अमिताक पळयत जाल्यार यूथ केपेबिलिटी दिसता पळय तेन्ना तुमचे लॉट ऑफ एस्पिरेशन ड्रिम्स आसा. सो हे कशें फुडें घालतले तुमी? इज इट ओन्ली बिकॉज बाबा हो काँग्रेसाचो हांव कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून वा कशें?
न्ही, हांवें तुका पयलींच सांगलां, हांवें क्लियर केलां दॅट येस आय एम वन ऑफ द एस्पिरंट्स. I am trying hard. Our main motto is to strengthen the organization, strengthen the bloc, and ultimately it is people's choice and Congress party's decision. I mean, high-level decision. As I have rightly said, this time your winnability will be count, your credibility will come in picture, your loyalty is going to come in picture. So all these factors are there.
I mean, if given a chance, you would be contesting against a person who has been getting stronger day by day. So you think it's easy?
No, I mean you only have told that he is there for last 10 years. So there is no question of becoming more stronger. Anti-incumbency is there.
Asa.
Yeah, obviously. So but your question itself is an answer. If you go to see.
You don't want to answer.
No, I want to answer. He cannot be stronger day by day.
He's getting down.
It will get down, no? Because over a period of time, obviously anti-incumbency comes in picture.
So Ramarao Desai, Udarkar coming out from his group and all is a plus point for you if it is.
That is plus point for Congress. Now, तुका सांगला हांवें already की रुलिंगान आशिल्लो ताजो colleague, ताजो councillor who has left BJP and joined Congress. That means Congress is becoming stronger. It's a good sign.
How individual strength of Amit Patkar is there?
Strength म्हणल्यार see youth are there with me. Okay, even the general, I mean the senior class people, even who are my म्हणजे बापाचे friends आशिल्ले म्हणून, that class also is there. See, people today from Kurcharam are looking for a change. Okay, and I think this time what change जो येतलो पळय तो collectively, like I've told you, we are building the organization.
लोक कितें सांगता तुमकां वयता आसतना बाबा पळय तुमी बसता म्हणून लोकांक सांगला आसतलें युथांनी तुका म्हटलें आसतलें तूं बस. पूण लोक जेन्ना तुज्या फुड्यान येता तुका तूं लोकां फुड्यान वयता लोक कितेंय पण सांगता आसत बाबा हें जावंक जाय, हेणें हें करूंक ना, तेणें तें करूंक ना, तूं हें कर. कितें तें?
आसा न्ही, लोकांचे इश्यूज खूब आसा. जशें हांवें तुका थोडे एक 4-5 इश्यूज सांगल्यात, तशें नाव वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू द पीपल वीथ तांचे डिटेल बाबा कितें इश्यूज आसा
ते काडून घेतले.
येस दॅट इज देयर. कलेक्टिवली वी आर गोइंग टू मर्ज. फाल्यां म्हाका खूब दीस दिसतलें की बाबा हांगा कितें कितें करपाक जाय, बट देन लोकांक ताची गरज, आय मीन यूज जावपाक जाय न्ही, गरज आसपाक ताची. सो लोकांचे व्ह्यूज घेवन आमचे आयडियाज कितें आसा ते करून वी वील कम आउट.
हाऊ लॉंग यू वील वेट फॉर द टिकेट टू बी अनाउन्स्ड?
I have told you since beginning that I am a congressman. We all are working for strengthening the Congress, and it is ultimately the decision of the High Command to see who is the candidate. Like I have told you, 4-5 factors which will come in picture, and then they will take a call.
You have a
and I will be with the party.
No, you have a confidence with the party that they will consider your name. But if not,
no, that is going to be party's decisions, and I will be with party's decisions. We are here to build. See, the fight is between Congress and BJP.
So
the fight is not between Amit Patkar or Hudarkar or Ramarao Desai.
So you will be with the party to defeat Cabral.
I mean BJP, no.
BJP means Cabral.
Yes, obviously, no. But obviously, he is the ruling MLA and minister, so it's him only.
So Amit Patkar is here to see that Congress flag comes flying. Okay.
Definitely.
What would be your last message to your voters in your constituency?
म्हजी एकूच सगळ्यांक मागणी की हें इलेक्शन जें आसा तें आमी एक वायब्रंट कुडचडें करुया. आनी एकूच तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता की ह्या इलेक्शनान तुमी रिलायबिलिटी, लॉयल्टी आणि विनेबिलिटी हे पळयात आनी दोळे ओपन करून मत मारात. प्लीज डोंट वोट बाय क्लोजिंग युअर आयज. दोळे ओपन करात आनी तुमकां दिसता ते हाका मत मारात. दॅट इज द ओनली मेसेज वीच आय हॅव टू गिव.
अमिताभ, तुजो टायम दिलो म्हणून देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू.